Hello everyone, welcome to Code Support YouTube channel guys. So I am creating one video regarding the issue is coming inside like when we try to create new project using React Native command. So a lot of issue is coming and I have seen the comment section of that video. So earlier we are using command like npx React Native init project name. Okay, using that we are able to create new projects without any issue. But now issue is coming. So we can use another command provided by React Native CLI. I am sharing the screen. Here, first, if you already have installed React Native CLI, then just uninstall those. Okay, npm uninstall globally a React Native community CLI. Okay, so just uninstall using that command, and after that, use this command npx at the rate React Native community CLI and at the rate latest. Either you can use here version also, like what is the version you want of React Native and init and after that project name. So let's copy this command and just I'm creating new project, open any VS Code, type those command and just enter. I just go. I don't want to log in. Second one, just hit,